We started with a client. He asked us to create his new website and do the magic tricks. Magic trick, it's AdWords and Facebook and SEO and stuff like that. So he had a website that was not mobile friendly, not even responsive, and he wanted us to start using our technology, digital marketing tricks and tools to promote that website. You know, more than 95% of users check a product online on their mobiles. So it was not an option not to have a mobile friendly site, a responsive site, a mobile only site. So we fired the client, and because we have no time to spend on that project, so the client was rejected.